The Maryland State Police, at the request of Prince George's County Police Department, have issued a Maryland Child Amber Alert for 3-year-old Blake Alexander Morgan, a black male further described as being 3 feet 0 inches and 25 pounds. The child may be wearing blue jeans, a red undershirt, and a red and blue jacket. His black hair and brown eyes. The child was last observed at approximately 6:18 p.m. in the area of 5351 Ritchie Marlborough Road, Upper Marlborough, Maryland. The child is believed to be in the company of a white or Hispanic male wearing a long-sleeved gray jacket, white shirt, gray sweatpants, black Nikes. A possible suspect vehicle is a stolen brown 2015 Nissan Armada bearing plate LEP1350, Maryland State. Anyone with information is asked to immediately call 911 or Prince George's County Police Department at 301-352-1259. Do not take action which could endanger your safety or further endanger the abducted child.
His corrupting hands on her. You see what she is.